the first thing you probably notice is that this is not my house. This week we actually had to unexpectedly go out of town for a family funeral, and we decided to stay with my sister. She actually just moved into this new house, and so as you guys see, there's like, you know, pictures and stuff that on the floor that she needs to hang up and all of that. So she hasn't gotten all her decorating done and everything, but we were staying with her while we were here for the funeral, and this was the day before we had to go home, and we kind of had her house a little bit of a mess, and my dad was going to come over this afternoon to see her house for the first time, and so I just wanted to get everything neatly put back together how it was when we arrived. You know, the kids had toys everywhere and it was just lived in, you know, so I was taking care of some dishes from our dinner the night before. So I also wanted to sweep and mop the floors because we just had stuff we had been tracking in over the last few days of us being there, and so I wanted to get all her floors nice and clean for her. And I tried out the Crosswave Premier for the very first time, so I'll be sharing with you guys in this video what I thought about that as well. I've actually wanted to try this for a while now, and I've actually never tried one before, so I'll let you guys know later in this video how I liked that. On this day I was kind of just relaxed and cleaning, so I set this to some relaxing music, so I hope you guys enjoyed this relax and clean with me, and let's get to the music.
I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name. Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding, I have scars, the ones not healing.
So I hope you guys enjoy the little bit of a different angles here. You guys may not even notice, but I just noticed because I do this all the time. But I did not bring my tripod with me because I was not planning on filming a video while I was here, and since I needed to clean up, I just decided to do it last minute. So I had my cell phone propped up on all kind of random objects. At one point I had it on top of the counter, on her nightstand, with a bottle of olive oil holding it up. It was funny. I wish I could have filmed it behind the scenes for you guys, but I didn't have a camera with me. I just had my cell phone. So some of these angles are different, but I think it came out pretty good. Also wanted to talk to you guys about something that's been on my heart lately. And basically, I realized when I was trying to plan something for my anniversary next year, which is not until May 12th, 2022. And I had this really sad feeling when I was trying to plan something for the future, where I just did not want to plan for the future. As much as I've been looking forward to different things coming up, the world is so crazy right now, you guys, that I have found it's hard for me to look to the future. And I've always been a very future-focused person, so much so that I have to force myself to live in the moment so that I don't miss the days, especially with young kids. I'm always looking so much to the future that I have to stop and make myself live in the moment sometimes. I was like, what is the deal? This was the way I was feeling. And so I felt the Lord drop a scripture in my heart, and I thought that maybe some of you guys were going through the same thing, so I wanted to share. Now, this verse is Jeremiah 29:11, and this is a verse that I've never really personally resonated with until now because I felt like it's overused. People use it all the time for graduates and all of that stuff, but for some reason it really spoke to me. And the verse is, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you a hope and a future." And even now I'm tearing up as I read this out loud to you guys because it spoke to my heart so much that God is not surprised by everything that's going on in the world right now. He knows, and he has a plan for you through it. And I just wanted to encourage you that today, if you're struggling a little bit, I know a lot of us have really had a hard time, especially being moms. You worry about your children, about what's coming in the future. And so I just wanted to encourage you that God is not surprised. If you're really struggling right now emotionally or mentally or even physically or financially, whatever it is, that you can take it to the Lord and he will give you his peace that passeth all understanding. So I just wanted to encourage you in that today, and I hope that it resonates with someone else out there like it did for me. All right, I am using the Crosswave Premier for the first time. It sweeps and mops at the same time and it vacuums, so I'm not really sure. It has hardwood floor and rug area, so I'm just gonna push the hardwood floor button and see what happens. I have some solution in here, so let's see. Be the same, like strangers again. Like strangers again. I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. All we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. And look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Better get started. It's time to get my head up again. You said that you had to. I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way, like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again.
Say something like you love me and make my day, like you always do, like you always do. Hold my hand and look me in the eye so I can tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel. Every day is something new. If I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now, you right now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now. How you move and what you do has made me so crazy about you now. Now we can go anywhere you like and do anything you want, anything you want. 'Cause every day is something new. If I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now. Oh, I need you right now, you right now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now.
So after using the Bissell Crosswave Premier, my verdict about this is I really like it if you have a lot of hardwoods or like ceramic tiles like she has here throughout your home. Now, for me personally, I don't think it would be worth it for me because I only have a couple of areas in my home that are hardwood and tile. And I'm not sure how they'd work if you have like deep grooves like I do in some of my tile floors. But if you have floors like she does here, these are ceramic tile planks. Excellent. I would definitely buy it. And I definitely think it's more for like a daily clean. The vacuum, you know, works really well, but the mopping part, it's kind of a little bit streaky. It does dry, but if you have a deep clean, I don't think it necessarily would be the best option for you for deep clean. I would use something else like the O-Cedar spin mop that I use for my deep cleans. I'd probably still use that for deep cleans, but if you're doing this daily, it's going to help keep down the dust. If you have any animals, but I usually find that most of the Bissell items seem to be good for dog hair from what I've heard. I don't have any pets, but I think this one is engineered for pets in the home as well. So I feel like it would work really well for a daily cleaning if you have pets. Again, she doesn't have pets and I don't have pets to test out that theory, but I definitely would get this if I had floors like she does. And I think it is amazing for a daily clean, just to feel like you can freshen up your house and keep down the dust. And the vacuuming feature works amazing on the hardwoods or ceramic tile.
It's been so cold without you here. I'm not gonna lie, don't know what I'd do without you. Maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. rather be with you.
All right, you guys, I had to show you her closet as well. Is this not to die for? I was drooling over the closet, in the bathtub especially, but of course I also love the open floor plan. That's my dream, to have that again one day. I had that in my first home that I ever owned. But this closet, oh my goodness, you guys, I was drooling over the closet. She and I had gone through all of her shoes before the funeral because I didn't have any good shoes to bring with me to wear for the funeral. So we kind of made a little bit of a mess in here. So I just wanted to tidy that up since it was kind of my mess as well. And then move on to kind of finishing up the last little bit of dishes. And then that will be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, I'd love to have you subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, what type of videos you'd like to see from me in the future. If you have any specific requests that fit into like the cleaning niche, I would love to do those for you. And let's get on with the last little bit, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.
I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. 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 I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile